You guys, I've had this for 4 years now through two babies who are exclusively bottle fed. What a trooper. The way I see it is if I'm going to have to be feeding babies and cleaning bottles for a super long time, I might as well make it cute to look at, right? My youngest kid is about to be finished with bottles, so I'm excited to retire this. But at the same time, it's been such a staple in our kitchen for so long that I'm almost going to miss it. I love that it uses vertical space to carry the bottles so to save you a little bit of counter space. It's super easy to clean, just like all of their products. This whole part comes up and it's got holes in the bottom, so water obviously drains through that and goes right down into this tray here, which looks amazing for 4 years old. I just rinse it every once in a while, but it hardly even gets that gunky. So then this just pops right back in here and you're good to go. This rotates. I don't know if they do it on purpose, but it's nice to be able to grab a bottle if it's on the far end and you're far away from it. If you want to dry and style, this is where it's at.